Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making Korean garlic potato bites. So let's get started. First of all, boil potatoes and mash it. Add corn flour, 1 teaspoon salt. Make a dough with required water. Divide the dough into small balls. Now press the ball with bottle cap. Bring water to boil, add salt. Add the potato balls and water. Boil it for 6 to 7 minutes until they float. Take out in a bowl. In a bowl, add soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, red chilli powder, salt, mix it, pour it, add coriander. In a pan, add oil, fry chopped garlic. Transfer fried garlic to a bowl. It's ready to serve. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment and share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.